So we're at Nara 38. So this is how our villa looks. Ang may entrance hallway dito. And then here we have this pangkatok. I don't know how to use it actually. Pero supposedly ito yung pangkatok. So parang may gate dito. And then when we enter, there's a small pathway. Yan, that leads up to the actual unit. So, dito yung main entrance. And then this one is a secret room, char. Mamaya, pakita ko. So, see how nice it looks like. Yung mga sunbed, and there's a table, and of course, here is the pool. The private pool. So, I really like this touch of like wooden stairs. Rustic feels. It's really cute, and then may mga bubbles pa yan. And then at night, there's light in the pool, so it really looks amazing. And even gabi na and malamig, nakaka-tempt mag-swim. So here, we're at the kind of dining setup. So we've asked for our breakfast to be served here to also avoid the crowds, and kasi para makain pa namin for longer. And then there's another lounge here. So this is kind of like the terrace area, overlooking kind of forest. And then this is our room. So ikot na tayo sa main entrance. Say hi to H. So again, here is the main door. Tada! This is our room. So there's a king size bed. I don't know if it's king size, pero baka. And then there's this window bed as well. Sobrang chill. I love how H looks like here. Sobrang sarap. You're almost like you're in the pool already. And then there's a small chaise. We have an extra bed. I don't know why, but it's there. And it's super high ceiling, as in ang ganda niya. And there's big ceiling fan, although hindi namin ginamit. And then there's a small work area. There's also a small side table and chair here, and a TV. And again, this is the door to the terrace. So ayan, ganda niya sa umaga. The sun just shines through to the bed. And then over here is, tada! A walk-in closet and bathtub and shower. There's rain shower, and then there's the conventional one. They of course also provide the soap, shampoo, and then there's also body scrub and oil, so it's super nice. And yes, it's glass, so there's no curtains or anything, although it looks quite secure naman. Parang there's too much trees, and I think there are walls in between the villas, so no one can see you except maybe for the frog. So the doors to the toilet have mirrors. So pwede kang magtingin-tingin dyan sa sarili mo while giving yourself a long hot bath. And then here's the toilet. It's just a simple toilet, although there are two. So pwede kayong magsabay. And then again, here are the big cabinets where you can, ayan, make kalat your damit. Nice view, isn't it? And there's me. Hi, I'm so fat. So, dalawa rin yung sink. And then there's this big mirror here. You can see everything from here. And again, the ceiling looks amazing. And then over here, finally, is my surprise. Tada! So it's the secret door from outside. So, balik tayo. So there's the pool, and then there's this door that leads to the bath. So it's really nice and really smart kasi when you're in the pool, you're wet and dripping and everything. And then instead of going to the room and making kalat water every day, everywhere, then you just go directly to the bath and then take a bath first and dry yourself. And yeah, so smart, right? And the other way around, you can like change to your swimsuit here and then go out derecho talon. And that's all. Thank you so much for joining me today. And bye-bye.